Hello, good morning. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? All right. Please open your English notebook. Please write. Today is What day is today? I forget. Please write today is in your notebook. What's the weather like? Outside? Go look outside and write the weather is. Good job. Next. I feel happy. Please write how you feel in your notebook. Okay, students, we are still talking about bedroom furniture. Please complete the worksheet. There are some questions about furniture you have got in your bedroom. For example, have you got a bed in your bedroom? Yes, I've got a bed in my bedroom. Have you got a bed in your bedroom? Please complete the worksheet and after watch a video. It has more questions. Please respond to the questions when you watch the video. Okay, students, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.